fam, it's Teresa, your favorite Clinique consultant, and I'm here to show you the perfect red lip. And I don't really think there's a perfect red lip because I always mess it up anyway, but that's why we work with makeup and we can touch it up at the end. I have a pink lip on right now, and I intentionally left this on just so you can see how you can change your lip from your daytime look to your hot red lip evening look to go out on your date with your significant other or your husband. First, use these Clinique Take the Day Off towelettes to remove my lipstick. And I'm just gonna put my finger, because I don't want to disturb too much of my foundation, right like that, and just try to get the lipstick off. So we're just gonna get the lipstick off, and you can go to a different area of your towelette. So just use different areas to get your lip off. I'm actually saving the other half of the towelette because we're gonna scrub our lips too. And we're gonna do what I like to call a little lip spa pampering on the lips. Okay, so I'm almost got all the color off. And like I said, I am going to I'm just gonna put that towelette there for a minute, my lip spa. So I'm gonna use some of the Clinique 7-Day Scrub. This is a really nice granule exfoliator, and it has little beads in it. And you just wanna try to get on the lip. If you didn't have makeup on, you could go all around the lip. And you can still go around the lip because we can use some concealer before we put the lipstick on to touch up. But the little granule scrubs beads are gonna polish the lip, and they're just gonna make your lip look so much more flawless and plump. If you have any concern with lining around the lip or on the lip, it helps smooth out the lines. If you have problems with your lipstick bleeding, this is amazing for that. I also like to get into the corner some. And why I do that, we get extra dry skin in there. And it just feels so great. So then I go back and use the other side of my towelette. And again, I'm just hitting the lip where I put my scrub with the Take the Day Off makeup towelette. These are unbelievable makeup wipes that you can use on your face and your eyes. I leave them in the glove compartment of my car because if I have a late night at work or just a late night out with girlfriends, I can take my makeup off on my way home because I have an extra set in the glove compartment of my car. Then what I want to do is use some kind of lip moisturizer. I've seen many people use chapstick, Vaseline, but this Moisture Surge lip adds plumpness, but it also hydrates. And my daughter Grace, I talked about her in my unboxing video, she adores this. I'm gonna put a little bit on. You don't wanna put too much on, just a teeny bit on my fingertip, and I'm gonna rub it all over my lip. Moisture Surge Lip Plump hydrates, plumps the lips, amazing. When you put your lip liner on, make a tight smile like this, and it helps you to line the lip. The other thing I want you to do is first start with that Cupid's bow, which is right here. And I'm gonna give you a tip for a thinner lip. Because I have a thinner upper lip, I'm actually gonna overline a little bit. Just go slightly above your natural lip line. Starting with Cupid's bow, but then you wanna feather upward with the liner toward the end. The purpose of that is because the last strokes that you want of your lip line, you want those last strokes to have been an upward motion because it makes the lip look more lifted. It makes the face, that bottom part of the face, look more lifted. So you can go down with the strokes, but as long as you go back up, then you give that lifted appearance. Now, if you want to make the appearance of a wider mouth, you can extend your line a little bit down in this corner. And again, there's no such thing, especially with red lipstick, as a perfect red lip. we're gonna go back with concealer and concealer brush. And then I'm gonna go and tighten that smile again to help get that bottom lip. Now, I like to most times fill in with the pencil. The wax in the pencil is gonna help hold that lipstick on for you. And I don't like to see the differentiation in the lining most of the time, especially in a red lip. If you're doing an ombre lip or a different lip, you would definitely line differently, maybe not fill in the same way. Okay, so then we're gonna take a concealer brush, and we are gonna take on the bottom, and I'm just taking a little bit of my foundation and I'm just cleaning up the bottom lip. Now I haven't even done, this is just the lip liner. And I'm gonna clean up a little bit in the inner corner. We're gonna touch up the top in a minute because we're gonna use a different product on the top. I'm actually gonna use my concealer, my Moderately Fair Light Concealer, to touch up on the top because that's where the Cupid's bow is, and I like to highlight right here, so the concealer's a little bit lighter. But one of my favorite lipsticks is the Peppermint Pop lipstick. I love Peppermint Pop because it's a nice matte lipstick too. All the Clinique Pop lipsticks have primers in them, so they stay on longer. And now I'm gonna take a concealer brush and I'm just gonna go along the top. And you can extend here where Cupid's bow is. So we had outlined Cupid's bow with the concealer brush and the line smoothing light concealer. And I just am going back with my concealer brush with some of my foundation. And I'm just blending the concealer out to make sure it blends into my foundation and just looks like one skin, that I don't look like I have this stop and start place. And I'm going back with the liner just to tighten it up and add any finishing touches. This is my Clinique lip with the Peppermint Pop and the Passion Pop. And then for my lip treatments, I had used the 7-Day Scrub Cream and the Moisture Surge Lip. If you want to add a little gloss, I brought one of my favorite glosses. You can add some of the Fizz Pop right to the center of the lip to give it like a more pouty lip. There you have it, your perfect red lip. Not so perfect in the beginning, but in the end, beautiful red lip. So don't forget, you get 20% off with my code in the link that I'm attaching to this video too. So there's also some amazing set deals at 50% off, so check those out. And there's a BOGO on the Moisture Surge Eye that goes so perfectly with the Moisture Surge Spray. Over a $60 value for like 30 some bucks to get 2 eye creams. So check that out too. Like me, follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and check out my YouTube channel. They're all Teresa Von Regan. Have a great day.